How to increase volume on iPhone headphones. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Scroll down to the Hearing section and tap on Audio and Visual. Then, go to Headphone Accommodations. On this page, you can customize the audio for supported Apple and Beats headphones by adjusting the settings below or through Custom Audio Setup. Here, turn on the Headphone Accommodation switch at the top. Then, go to the Tune Audio for section and select Vocal Range. After that, drag the slider below to choose how you want the soft sounds to be boosted. Now, go back to the Settings page and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to the Headphones section at the end and tap on Headphone Safety. Here, turn off the Reduce Loud Audio feature. Following these steps, you can easily increase volume on iPhone headphones.